Ever thought about mixing up your culinary routine with a new and engaging recipe? Well, today might just be your lucky day. You're about to discover a dish that is not only bursting with vibrant flavors, but also simple to prepare. This is the sweet potato and paneer hash, a fusion of wholesome sweet potatoes and rich paneer cheese, all brought together with a blend of traditional Indian spices. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need sweet potatoes, paneer, which is an Indian cottage cheese, an onion, a bell pepper, cumin seeds, turmeric, garam masala, and cilantro. Begin by dealing with the sweet potatoes. Peel them and then cut them into bite-sized cubes. Toss these cubes in a bit of oil, sprinkle with salt, and spread them on a baking sheet. Pop them into a preheated oven and roast until they're tender and golden. This roasting process will bring out the natural sweetness of the potatoes, providing a wonderful base for this dish. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, turn your attention to the other ingredients. Heat up a pan and toss in the cumin seeds. Once they start to sizzle and pop, it's time to add the chopped onion and bell pepper. Sauté these until they're soft and slightly caramelized. Next, the stage is set for the starring ingredients. Add the roasted sweet potatoes to the pan, followed by cubed paneer. Paneer is a type of Indian cottage cheese that has a mild flavor and a firm texture that holds up well to cooking. It will absorb the flavors of the other ingredients, creating a harmonious blend of taste and texture. Now sprinkle in the garam masala. This is a blend of ground spices commonly used in Indian cuisine. It adds warmth and depth to the dish, creating a complex flavor profile that will tantalize your taste buds. Finally, finish off the dish by garnishing it with fresh cilantro. This adds a pop of color and a burst of fresh flavor that perfectly complements the rich, spicy hash. So, there you have it. Sweet potato and paneer hash. A hearty, flavorful dish that's as enjoyable to prepare as it is to eat. It's a symphony of flavors, textures, and colors, guaranteed to impress anyone who tastes it. With its simple preparation and high-quality ingredients, this dish is a testament to the fact that great food doesn't have to be complicated. It's about combining ingredients in a way that brings out their inherent goodness. So, why not give it a try? You might just